In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow back orders in WooCommerce fast and easy. If you're running an online store using WooCommerce, you might come across situations where an item becomes so popular that it sells out. Keeping your customers happy and ensuring they can still place orders for these items even when they're out of stock is crucial. That's where back orders come in handy, allowing your customers to order a product despite it being out of stock, promising delivery once it's available. Let's dive into how you can easily enable this feature within your WooCommerce setup. First, let's make our way to the WordPress dashboard. Once you've logged into your WordPress site, look to your sidebar. This is where you'll find all the essential tools for managing your online store. For now, locate and click on the Products tab. This tab houses all the details about the items you're selling, allowing you to manage inventory, pricing, and availability all in one place. With the product page open, the next step is to find the specific product you want to allow back orders for. Browse through your listings, and once you've located the desired product, click on Edit. This will take you into the more detailed settings for that specific product, giving you extensive control over its stock details. Once you're in the product's edit settings, look towards the top tabs and click on Inventory. The Inventory section is crucial because it lets you manage your stock levels, decide whether to track inventory, and most importantly, enable the backorder feature. When you're in this section, make sure the Manage Stock option is checked. This setting is essential because it tells WooCommerce to keep track of your stock levels. Now let's focus on the option for back orders. In the Inventory section, you'll find the back order selection under Stock Management. Here you will see a drop-down menu labeled Allow Back Orders. Click on it and you'll get a few options. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Do Not Allow will maintain the default option, while options like Allow but Notify Customer or simply Allow will let you accommodate customer demand better by informing them if a product is sold out or simply taking the order regardless. After you've made your selection, remember to save your changes by clicking the Update button. This step is crucial as it applies all the changes you've made, ensuring that your settings are effectively saved and applied to your online store. And that's it. Following these steps will enable back orders on your WooCommerce store swiftly and effectively, ensuring your customers stay satisfied and your business prospers even when stocks are low. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to check back for more WooCommerce tips and tricks.